Hello YouTube. Guess what? I'm here and I'm making pizza, with homemade pizza with breadsticks. It's actually going to be a homemade crust and well, you'll see how it goes. But definitely a homemade crust for right now is what we're going to start on. So we're going to start off with 3.5 cups of flour. We're going to put it into the stand mixer. And then, well, we can get it all out of there. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, or a teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. And then we're going to combine that. Oh, add the yeast. We're going to add the yeast. And I'm just using the Rapid Rise instant yeast for this. So we're going to combine all that. Well, why is my mixer not? There we go. Get that all mixed up in there, and then we're going to add, with the mixer started and running, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Along with 1.5 cups of warm water, about 110 degrees. And then we're just going to mix that until it comes into a ball. There it goes. Well, maybe. I say that, but maybe. Let me knock some of the sides down. Bring it all in together. There we go. Now it's happening. Now we're going to mix this up for a little bit till it comes into a ball. And if it looks like it's going to be too wet, just add a little bit more flour, about a tablespoon at a time. And if it's too dry, add a little bit more water, about a tablespoon at a time. And it's looking like we're going to have to add some more flour Now it's starting to come to a ball. There we go. There we go. Now I might have added too much flour. Still kind of a little wet, actually. Yeah, I think it's still a little wet. So I'm going to add some more flour to it. Now, I've only made homemade pizza dough a couple different times, and I've never made it with a stand mixer before, so this is something new for me. So, I'm hoping I'm not beating it too much or kneading it too much. I don't know, it just seems a little wet still. I think we're gonna call that good right there. Um, it isn't sticky. It is in a ball. So I think we're gonna call that good. So I think what I want to do now, I don't know how much more kneading I need to do with it, but I'm turn it out onto this flour and we knead it a little bit more. But like I said, I don't know how much kneading I need to do on this, because I've never used it in a stand mixer before, and I know the bread hook, it does do some kneading, so I think I'm gonna call that good right there. Make it into a ball. And then I'm gonna put it into a olive oil lined bowl, and I'm going to cover it and let it stand in a warm place, which is going to be on top of the oven. I've got it on right now. It's just going to stand there, and for about an hour or so until it doubles in size. And when that happens, we'll be back.